Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D models section and select an object for our tutorial. The library contains a vast variety of high-quality 3D models, and it gets updated weekly. In this tutorial, we will learn how to customize a 3D model of soft packaging. Let's find a 3D model that suits us. This wet wipes pack is perfect for this tutorial. Let's create a new project. This is what our model looks like. We should disable the drop shadow to make it easier to set up the 3D model. Now let's zoom in our model a little and start setting up the packaging. Let's open the materials gallery and select a material with mixed colors. Now let's change the colors of our bright packaging a little. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette or enter the color code manually, like this. Now let's customize the packaging material to make it stand out. The next step is to configure the lid element. Let's change the color of the material, and then in the settings we will add a bit of softness to the material. Excellent. Let's expand the model and set up the edges element. Here we will only change the material. We have set up all the materials on the Wet Wipes 3D model. Next, let's add some design to our packaging. To add the design, you can click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. You can also download a UV map and create your design in another editor. I've already prepared some images for our pack. Let's add the first image. This way you can place your design the way you like following the UV map. Let's enlarge it a little and place the design onto the lid. Amazing. Next, let's add another design element. To do this, click on the Add Image button. Let's add a design to the front of the package. Following the UV map, we will apply the design to the right place. Great. Now all we need to do is to add the design to the back of the packaging. We also click on the Add Image button and add a design element there. Great. Let's save our results. The next step is to make our 3D model a little more exclusive and special. Let's go to the Environment settings. Here, we will change the rim light and spotlight settings. Here we'll set up the lighting horizontally and vertically to highlight the curves of our Wet Wipes pack. Like this. Now our packaging has become catchy. The final step is to select a suitable background for the 3D model. Let's see what types of pre-made backgrounds we have available. We can choose a solid fill as the background, or we can go for a gradient fill. Here, we can select the color and also set the direction of the fill, linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we've prepared for you. Or add your own image. Let's add one. Excellent. You can turn on moving lights to see how the light can enhance the shape and texture of the 3D model. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks in motion. Let's save our project. After you've completed your design, you can share it by clicking the Share button. You'll get a shareable link to open the interactive viewer with your 3D model. Send it over to your colleagues, friends, or clients. And that's the end of our tutorial on creating a wet wipes pack design. We hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.